Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a new user profile in Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Creating a profile in Microsoft Edge browser allows you to tailor your browsing experience, maintain privacy, distinguish between work and personal activities across your data across devices, and install your preferred tools. To create a new profile, open Edge browser on your Windows PC, then click on profile icon. Here click on this one, set up new personal profile. It will create a profile and will open Edge browser on that profile automatically. To change this one avatar or profile name, click on the profile and then click on this one settings gear icon. Beside the profile name, click on this one triple dot menu, select edit option. Now here you can change the profile name and select a avatar according to your choice from the drop down menu and click on this one update button. This will change the avatar as well as avatar this one profile name in Edge browser on Windows PC.